Hi, I'm Mike Melsman with Eastie Enterprises. Today we're going to be going over our Eastie Black L-clip tape head tape threading. So we'll go to the machine and we'll unlock the ring here. Just take the cartridge out of the top. Slide it forward and pull it out. And set it on the pack table here. Take our new roll of tape. Have the sticky side of the tape up. Place it over the tape core. The silencer arm down. Pull the tape down, go around the other black roller and over the gold roller. This is going to be the sticky side of the tape that comes in contact with it. And we're going to take the tape and thread it over the other gold roller here. Again, the sticky side will be touching that. Down through, and I'll flip this up here so you can see. But we want to make sure that the tape goes in between these two fingers here to make sure that it stays centered. And give a little pull. Lay it back down, and in order to cut off the tail, we can take this back wipe roller, push it up. Again, the blade right here is very sharp, and we'll cut the tape off and release the legs. Once we have the tape threaded in the tape head, we'll pick up the tape with two hands, put it back in the machine, put it in the slots, slide it backwards, and retighten the thumb screw here to make sure it stays in place, and we're ready for testing. We'll check the L-clip, we'll make sure the box is folded, put it through, the clip. You can see that the L-clip leaves a 2" by 2" tab of tape. That concludes our Eastie L-clip black tape threading diagram. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please join us at eastie.com or our YouTube channel. Subscribe, and then we're there for other self-help videos.